Hey everyone, today we're gonna do a very quick routine to reduce our double chin and also get a V-shaped jawline. This is a very short video, so stay tuned and let's get started. First thing that I want you to do is to use your moisturizer or your facial oil, but I'm gonna use my moisturizer on this area. Look at this, so easy. So the first move that I want to do is to move from the chin to the ears. So I'm putting my thumbs on the double chin area and then I'm sliding them outwards to the ears. And I'm gonna do this for 10 times. My pressure is medium and I'm just moving so smoothly. I'm gonna do like this so you can see. When that's finished, I'm gonna move again on this area with my knuckles. I'm just moving the fat on this area towards my ears where there is lymph nodes. Doing this 10 to 15 seconds, not more. My pressure is medium. And then I'm moving on this area, the corner of my jawline. Again, I'm pushing outwards and upwards towards my ears. Doing this for 10 to 15 seconds. That's the last one. I'm massaging just a little bit behind my ears. Where's the lymph nodes? And then I'm coming down on the side of my neck for 5 times. Slowly. I'm gonna do this for the other side. Going to the corner of my jawline, massage for 10 to 15 seconds. Then going to the back of my ear, massage for a while. Then come down on the side of my neck where there is lymph node. And I'm just moving the double chin fat with this move out of my body through the lymph nodes. The other move that I want to share with you guys is for the jawline and to get like a sharp jawline. For that, I'm gonna do the most effective exercise, which is like pinching your skin and moving from the chin upwards to the ears. As you've noticed while I'm doing this move, I'm putting my thumbs under my chin. So I'm sliding my thumbs upwards on the jawline area and also double chin area. So this move will reduce the double chin. And the second thing that I'm doing with this is look at my knuckles. My knuckles are just moving upwards, and with this move they're gonna lift the skin here. They're gonna lift the lip corners, work on the lip muscles, and also they're gonna reduce the buccal fat in this area. So this move actually has many effects. That's why I'm always saying that this is one of the most effective exercises. So let's start doing it for 10 times. Finishing it on the lymph nodes. 5. Finished. This was it for today's quick routine. I hope you liked it. You can do everywhere, anytime, even when you are at work. So don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think they might need this, and also subscribe to my channel. See you next one. Bye.